Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today we're going to take a look at the HiccAway. So this is a really cool little device that we saw on Shark Tank, and I had to get one because I hate getting the hiccups. Like, who likes it, right? But I used to have a remedy that my dad taught me, which entailed having a little spoonful of sugar and gulping it down really fast with a glass of water. And it worked most of the time, but wasn't super reliable. So I love the idea that I can just use this little device and make my hiccups go away. So let's open it up. Now I don't have the hiccups right now, which is good, but I'd like to practice this. So when I do, I will be ready to use it. So this is how it works. So this is the HiccAway. It's a little tubey looking thing, like a little straw, and it's good for ages 1 and up. So what it has, it's got a little thing on it that says child or adult. So what you do is you need to spin this place the cap on the desired setting to either child or adult. The top of the cap should be facing on the setting you choose. Oh, it's on there pretty tight. So basically you need to take off this little bottom of the thing, and I'm going to put it on adult. So the tip of the cap is there. So click that on. And then what it wants you to do is to put it in a glass of water. And you notice that this is not quite half full. They want it to be kind of shallow like that. So it needs to provide that extra suction. And then you place it in here, and then you suck. Wow, that's kind of hard. So the idea is that you forcibly sip from the mouthpiece, just like I did, and then immediately swallow. And you might have to do that more than once. It says it might have to do it 2 or 3 cycles to really get rid of your hiccups. But that's it. That's how it works. So it's really cool. It's like just this little plastic straw thing. You could put it in your medicine cabinet. You could put it in your bag, keep it with you. If this works, I'm going to get another one for sure so I can take it with me, because it's really awful to have hiccups no matter where you are. So that's it. Now, if I ever do get the hiccups, I will try it out and try to get it on video. But for now, I'm really excited to have this and really nice little device, and look forward to using it. Thanks.